Which means it's a complete opening. Okay? So I want you to walk with it. The opening is not only forward, it's also backwards, it's also on the side. I want you to feel it in the space. Complete opening. A lot of the mystic connection in the Judaism happened also, not only, but also in the land of Ukraine. We know the Baal Shem Tov. He was a mystic rabbi. When I read what he wrote, I get a lot of inspiration, because for him, when you read a letter, when you see a letter, this is one thing. But when you pronounce, you can get a lot of information from the sound. And if you want to enlighten a word, it's not just to say this word, but it's to pronounce it with the consonant and vowels, to pronounce it, and then you understand it in a sensual way.